Hi everyone, welcome to our Rainbow Common Exception Words video. This is where we learn words that aren't necessarily easy to sound out off our rainbow mat. Here we go. What's our first word this week? Here's our mat. Our first word is grammar. Grammar, there it is. Grammar. So grammar is the term we use for all of our English language. Is it a noun, pronoun, adjective, and so on? It sounds a bit like grandma, doesn't it? But it's grammar. Grammar, if you say it very posh. Grammar, okay? Not much to help you there other than your sounds and that double M, grammar. Here's our mat for our second word. Our second word is guard. Can you see it? Well done, there it is. Guard. So a guard is somebody who protects a building or a person. There's the Queen's Guards there. Not much to help you. You might want to spell it G-A-R-D, but it's G-U-R-D. Our next word is guide. Guide. Can you spot it in the middle of the mat? There it is. Well done. So a guide can show you round places. And again, it's that U that's tricky here. All right, so remember it for guard and remember it for guide. We might want to spell guide G-I-D-E, but it's G-U-I-D-E. Our final word today is heard. Heard. There it is. Great job. I heard what you were saying to me. The only way of remembering this really is that that ear is in the middle of the word. Can you see it? Eared, heard. Okay, let's see which one of this week's words are hiding behind our quiz. So grab your piece of paper and your pencil. Will you figure it out? We've got guard, grammar, guide, and heard. What is the picture showing us? Well done if you think it is heard. The man heard what people were saying. H-E-A-R-D. Good job. Question 2. Let's see which one is hiding this time. Is it guard or grammar? Guide or heard? What is the picture showing us this time? It's the lady showing people round. So on your piece of paper, hopefully, you will have the word guide. G-U-I-D-E. Great job. Question 3. Which one's hiding now? Oh, this one's an easy one. I know that these are the Queen's Guards. But how do we spell it? How do we spell it? Have you written it down? Great job if you put G-U-A-R-D. And our final one today, have you figured out which one it must be? Because we've not had it yet. Nouns. The word is even in the picture, isn't it? The word is grammar. Grammar, not grandma, grammar. Hopefully you've spelt it right. G-R-A-M-M-A-R. Well done. Keep practicing to make sure you get full marks on your spelling test. See you next time.